this calculation we cut it too much. We have a solution. A bowl, your rests. This is corn flour. You can use normal flour, how you wish. I'm using corn flour. 1 egg, salt and pepper, and my favorite, belly fat, quite a lot. And you can use a pot. You can imagine we will fry our veggies. Let's prepare. Tack. And then we need around 4 spoons of the flour. Make half more. There comes a secret ingredient. It's my favorite one. Oh! Beer! 75 to 100 milliliter. Super. Back inside the fridge. And we have to whisk it a little bit, that we don't have the clumps and the balls. Of course, depending on the amount of veggies you have to increase or decrease the ingredients. I just make now a small batch because they're much more tasty. They're still hot. We have the ratatouille, we have this, so we don't want to overeat, of course. So I can make a fresh batch tomorrow without any trouble. So that's it. It's quite thin actually. Could it's a little thicker because we want to have it stick on the veggies. This looks better. Much more better. This happens if you use a little bit too much beer. See? Ah, wonderful. So, and dig in and just place it in. It doesn't matter if it's zucchini, aubergine, or your zucchini. Pumpkin actually. Zucchini too much. Massage it in. Let it stick for a while. Fingers. Check the heat from the fat. It's a nice tool. With this we will put it in and out of the pan. With the fat, of course. So let's first see if it's really hot enough. Yep, it is. So we don't want to have too much. principle is we're just frying our veggies. Express delivery. See? Another way to use this: salt, pepper, a little bit olive oil, and in the oven on the flame, high heat, 200 degrees. So after we killed the first batch, I can show you the second batch. I hope you can somehow hear this, otherwise it is nice, crispy. Oh, perhaps a pinch of paprika. Pinch of paprika. Nearly empty. Doesn't matter. It's tasty. Good ingredients. Healthy ingredients. What you want more. No waste. You use what you have on leftovers, or like I am, miscalculated in the amount of veggies which I need. Sorry, I'm eating, but it's really tasty. And I'm pretty sure even your kids will eat it.